Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, March 15th, 2024. Let's take a look at the Solana to Tether, our altcoin of the week on zondacrypto. What is going on here on the Solana? Let's just take a look into the recent developments. I will just kind of zoom out. So what is going on here? As you can see, we broke above the level of 180 tethers. So right now the local high was made at 185 as the uptrend continues towards the level of 200. So we can place the line here on this chart, and this line will be exactly 200 tethers. So let me just take this line and we will place it here, and that should be the next target for the bulls. Around the level, psychological level, not a problem to place it on the chart. Key technical support is located here at the level of 125, and the price is way above this level whatsoever, which is why we don't have to be so much concerned about it. We got this very nice demand zone between 180 and 125. So as long as we trade above this zone, the long-term outlook for the Solana remains bullish. The recent development is very dynamic, very aggressive. We have plenty of green candles here, which means that the bulls are in charge of this market, which is obvious. But if you take a look at the corrections, you can see that the corrections are very narrow, very shallow, and they don't last too long. Maybe today's profit taking and a pullback from 185 tethers is another cycle like this, a corrective cycle, but it's only a local one, which means that when it's done, we should resume the uptrend towards 200 tethers. Let's take a look at the indicators. We of course will start from the RSI, and the RSI should be extremely overbought, and this is what's happened. RSI is extremely overbought. We are coming off 85 points on the RSI, so of course right now the pullback is in progress, and the recent, let's say, the recent upwave, okay, gave us the range of 84, almost 85% from the lows of 100. Yeah, so that's kind of a impressive rally, right? 85%. But I'm thinking how deep we should go now in order to call it a nice pullback. It all will depend on the Bitcoin. However, I guess 20%, 25% would be enough to call it a very nice pullback, and then to resume the up move. So right now we got not more than 10. There you go. This is 10%. So I think that somewhere here, roughly around this level of, let's say, this low here, 138, should be enough for the bears to do the correction, the pullback, and then the market should resume higher. Of course, this is the extreme scenario. The pullback can be lower. The pullback can be shallower as well. So this is only like a first of scenario for the current cycle, for the bears, of course, right? So when the pullback is done, we should resume the uptrend. Where we are in terms of the moving averages, right? So if we apply 9 and 26 moving average, you can see that the market has been moving above both of them, right? So very handy moving averages for our analysis. The other one is 100 and 200, and the market is trading way above 100 and 200 moving average. So it looks like that and the overall trend is being maintained. The uptrend should be continued after the pullback is done, and 200 tethers should be hit very soon. Let me just let's say zoom out a little bit so you can see we got this golden cross, or bullish cross as they say, when 100 periods moving average crosses the 200 period moving average, and since then we've been just moving up and up. So just for a sake of things, let's take a look. Let's say from this consolidation, or this horizontal move as a bottom, to the recent high as a top, you can see it clearly that we have 945% on the period of that's the beginning of the September 2023, so that's not even, let's say, 6 months. All right, so in the 6 months, over 900% of the gain, of the profit was made on the Solana, and it looks like this is not over yet. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.